Hello everyone, welcome to Italian for Beginners. I'm your Italian teacher Sara and today I'm with a new lesson. Practice short sentences in Italian every day, best and easiest way to learn Italian. So let's begin. Every day, ogni giorno, daily, quotidianamente, 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 daily. Every week, ogni settimana, week, settimana, every, ogni, weekly, settimanalmente, settimanalmente, every month, ogni mese, every month, ogni mese, monthly, mensilmente, mensilmente, mensilmente. Next one is every year, ogni anno, every, ogni anno, year, ogni anno, yearly, annualmente, annualmente. Subscribe for more. If you like the video, then please subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching. Ciao, arrivederci.